You've bought a Zendesk Talk phone number and nothing works. No calls, no activation, just a blocked number sitting there. The culprit is almost always a missing address, and today I'll show you exactly how to fix it. Telecom regulators worldwide require businesses to register who operates phone lines within their borders. This isn't Zendesk being difficult. It's compliance with local telecom laws. Depending on where your number is, you'll face one of 3 tiers: no requirements, address only, or full business verification. Before you start, make sure you have the right Zendesk plan. Talk is available on Team, Professional, and Enterprise tiers. You'll also need Admin Center access, and if you're setting up in a verification required country, gather your business registration documents dated within the past 3 months. Head to Admin Center, then open Channels, select Talk and Email, click Talk, and finally hit the Addresses tab. This is your central hub for managing all your business addresses. You can store multiple addresses here, one for each country or office location. Here's what the Addresses tab looks like in your Zendesk dashboard. Any address you've already added will appear in this list, and you can associate them with phone numbers directly from here. Click the Add Address button and a form will appear asking for your business location details. Use a real physical street address, not a PO box. Many countries explicitly prohibit PO boxes for phone number registrations, and submitting one is the most common reason addresses get rejected. The form is straightforward: label, street, city, region, and postal code. Give each address a descriptive name like Berlin office or US headquarters, so your team knows exactly what it covers. Fill in every field carefully: country, street, city, province or state, postal code, and country code. Format the address according to local conventions. German addresses put the postal code before the city, while US addresses put it after. Getting the format right reduces the chance of a verification delay. Click Save, and the address is immediately available to associate with any phone number purchase. When you buy a new number that requires an address, a drop-down lets you pick from your saved list. If the country requires business verification, you'll also need to attach an approved verification bundle. Requirements vary dramatically by country. Argentina, Austria, and Belgium require full business registration documents and government ID. Australia and the United States are far more lenient. Most local numbers then need just a business name and address, with 0 documentation. Always check the requirements for your specific country before purchasing. Mobile numbers have stricter requirements than landline numbers almost everywhere. Because mobile numbers can be used across borders, regulators want extra proof about who's operating them. In Australia, a local landline needs just a name and address, but a mobile number on the same account requires full business registration, a business ID, and a utility bill. 4 rules to memorize before you submit. All documents must be dated within the past 3 months. PO boxes are rejected where physical addresses are required. Some countries need a letter of authorization or notarized power of attorney. And the review process takes up to 3 business days. Build that wait time into your launch planning. If you're managing phone numbers across multiple countries, the Zendesk Talk API lets you retrieve address data programmatically. Use the GET endpoint for addresses to pull your full list, or query a specific address by ID. Note that creating and updating addresses still requires the Admin Center interface. The API is read-only for address operations. Once your addresses are set up and calls start coming in, eesel AI handles everything that happens next. When a call creates a ticket in Zendesk, eesel AI automatically drafts follow-up responses using your Help Center and past tickets, routes voice tickets to the right team, and tags each ticket by topic, sentiment, and urgency. You handle the regulatory setup once, then automation takes care of the ongoing workflow. Zendesk Talk handles your voice infrastructure. eesel AI handles the intelligent ticket processing that follows every call. Try eesel AI free, no credit card required, and see how quickly it reduces your team's workload while keeping support quality high. Visit eesel.ai to get started today.